airco unit for the W460 M463 298. It's not big modification, but really it's quality work, so must be precisely everything here is exactly with millimeter mounting. But it's very important point in air conditioning step if you think to installing that the water injection is a change. Here the old place. That's for light. Here the old place is closed now, but for the heating only. And now there's two for the air conditioning. I take the part for more clear. So I have used this electric, very practical tools to make something like this. So that is the part I must be so mounting. Yes. So, but when you're mounting without seals, you receive the heating and air and interior of the car, so must be used. You have to use these parts. That is the parts number is 46039971381, and that's injected here like this, and this part mounted so you have area for